White man with an axe, swinging at men like they're firewood. Calm down, said they. It's okay, it's okay. Cops never even reached for their guns. Black man on a jog, chased down like hare, like quarry for the camouflaged Confederates, calling themselves law. No one bothered to tell them they lost the war. White man with assault rifle, talked down like child, painted in press as mentally ill, sick and in need of help. Gently they held his hands behind his back. Watch your head, said they, before closing the door. Black man's cell phone made perforated by itchy trigger finger, an inferiority complex. He matched a description, said they, as badges and pistols were handed back. Shine your medals, let them catch the sun. Slavery never disappeared. It was just marketed better. Handcuffs in place of chains, penal system as plantation. Still they fear the whip, still they cower. I am ashamed of the color of my skin.